How to deter hawks from my backyard birds. According to Avian Web, hawks are birds of prey that belong to the family Accipitridae. There are several different species that include the short-tailed hawk and the red-shouldered hawk, which are generally found in the eastern portion of the United States. Hawks swoop down quickly to snatch and devour their prey, which could be the contents of your bird feeders, or even the birds themselves. There are several ways to protect your backyard from hawks. Things you will need: wire mesh. Remove any isolated trees or other perching stations in the area that are within 100 yards of the affected area. Hawks will move on to a new location to hunt if they do not have a perching point on which they can survey the land for any potential prey. Place wire mesh around any bird feeders in the yard. Many times, the hawks are being lured to the area because of the readily available food and will eat any birds found in the area as a consequence. Place bird feeders in protected areas, such as underneath shrubs or trees. This will provide the birds with a source of food that the hawks will find more difficult to reach. Plant trees and shrubs in the backyard. This will provide birds with areas to hide and find refuge when there is a hawk looking for its next meal. Remove any bird feeders from the backyard for 1 week. The hawk will see that this constant source of food has been removed and will begin to look for its next meal elsewhere. Any feeder birds that were once found in your backyard will return once the bird feeders are put back up. House any poultry, such as ducks and chickens, in an enclosed area during the nighttime hours. These birds are more susceptible to hawk attacks if allowed to roam during these hours. Tips: warnings. Under the Migratory Bird Treaty Act, it is illegal under federal law to kill, capture or own any species of hawk.